I'm going to talk about the food pyramid and myplate.gov. Forgive me if these pages are not of the same quality as before. I had to take these with my iPod because I can't get to the school. So, page 121, following a balanced food plan. Now, let's ask this as a class. List 2 or 3 reasons you think people should try to avoid eating too many fats and sugary foods. We're going to pause, and then we'll unpause, and we'll ask this question. Pause. Unpause. Okay, well, I'm sure we had a great conversation. The food guide pyramid. Oh, before we do that, we're going to learn how to use the food guide pyramid, the names of the 5 food groups, how much of the different kinds of foods you should eat daily. We'll also have words like the food guide pyramid, and we'll also look into myplate.gov. That's a little different food pyramid now. The food guide pyramid. 2 government departments, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the USDA, and the Department of Health and Human Services have provided a handy tool to help you plan nutritious meals. This tool is the Food Guide Pyramid, which provides a daily guideline to help you choose what and how much to eat to get the nutrients you need. Again, we learned yesterday that nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nutrients, vitamins, minerals. The Food Guide Pyramid divides foods into 6 groups. 5 of these are basic food groups. Eating foods from all 5 basic groups each day gives you the nutrients and energy you need to grow and stay healthy. The 6th group contains fats, oils, and sweets, which you should only eat in small amounts. You can enjoy nutritious foods in many different settings. What foods do you choose when you have a variety of options? Kind of like a buffet. Okay, page 122. Again, sorry it's a little tougher to see. You'll find many of your favorite foods in figure 5.2, which shows the food guide pyramid. The size of each section in the pyramid gives you a good idea of how much of each kind of food to eat every day. You should eat the most servings from the bread, cereal, rice, and pasta group, the largest section of the pyramid. Growing teens should get 3 full servings from the milk, yogurt, and cheese group, as long as you're not lactose intolerant. Notice that no number of servings from the smallest section, fats, oils, and sweets, is recommended. Foods in this group provide energy, but few nutrients. So I'll read over 5.2, and then, sorry, I've got to get page 123, 124 in. The food guide pyramid. Eating enough foods from the 5 basic food groups every day provides you with the nutrients you need to grow and stay healthy. We see oh. Again, I'm sorry. I apologize. Again, my iPod doesn't take as good or as pictures as the copy machine at work. Again, bread, cereal, rice, pasta group says you should have 6 to 11 servings. And then next we have the fruit groups and the vegetable groups. Fruits, we should have 2 to 4 servings a day. Vegetables, we should have 3 to 5 servings. And we'll get into what we mean by size of servings. And then above, we have the milk, yogurt, cheese group, which is 2 to 3 servings. And then meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs, and nut groups. Those we should have 2 to 3 servings again. Then finally, at the very top, it shows fats, oils, and sweets. Eat small amounts. Sorry, now I need to get into this. My fault, man. I'm just... Fire 1. Fire 2. Come, get in. There we go. All right. Page 123. The food groups. Which nutrient does each food group provide? We're going to use figure 5.3 to find out. It shows the nutrients in each pyramid. So, bread, cereal, rice, and pasta group, 6 to 11 servings. These foods are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide energy. They supply certain vitamins and minerals. Combined with beans or other foods, such as peanut butter, they provide some protein. Whole grains are also high in fiber. And fiber is good for digesting and, again, getting rid of waste. Again, that's how we defecate or poop. And also urinate or pee. Okay, vegetable group and fruit group. Again, vegetables, we should have 3 to 5 servings. Fruit, we should have 2 to 4 servings. Most foods from these groups are low in fat and high in carbohydrates. They provide many important vitamins, such as vitamin A and C, plus fiber, and some minerals. Dark green leafy vegetables and dark-colored fruits are especially rich in nutrients. For good health, choose a variety of fruits and vegetables each day. Again, milk and yogurt. Again, as long as you guys aren't lactose intolerant, which we know people who are lactose intolerant can have milk, and I'm sure they make lactose intolerant cheese. I've just never seen it because I'm not lactose intolerant. My sister is. Should have 3 servings for teens. Food in this group are a major source of calcium. They also offer protein, carbohydrates, and some vitamins. Some are high in fat. Choose mostly low-fat or fat-free milk, cheese, and yogurt. Again, we know calcium comes from the word calc, which means stone, which again, calcium is great for our bones, especially at your age growing up. You have stronger bones, which includes, again, your teeth are part of bones as well. Meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs, and nut groups. You should have 2 to 3 servings. All foods in this group are high in proteins. Most also contain B vitamins and minerals, such as iron. However, they can be high in fat. Eat mostly leaner meats, poultry, and fish. Cooked dry beans combined with grain products are another good choice, like jambalaya or red beans and rice. Then finally, fat, oils, and sweets. Eat in small amounts. This section contains foods that are high in fat or sugar and contain other nutrients. Enjoy them in small amounts. They should not take place of more nutrients in your meals and snacks. As we see things like the butter and the oils, we cook with those. Then again, we see the sweets, our candy, our cookies. Again, we should always make those as like treats. We should not make those our dinner, our lunch, our breakfast. Page 124. Using the food guide pyramid. Again, the food guide pyramid shows a range of daily servings for each food group. The number of servings recommended for you depends on your age, gender, body size, and activity level. But how much is each serving? We're going to use figure 5.4 to find out. Keep in mind that many foods, such as pizza, contain servings from several different groups. These guidelines can help you eat food of each type of... Shut up, Ty. Serving sizes. These guidelines help you eat enough of each type of food each day. List the foods you ate today. How many servings did you eat for each food group? We're not going to do that until starting next Wednesday. That would be the 9th after we get done with the physical activity chapter, because I have an assignment for you on that. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta group. Again, 6 to 11 servings. That'd be like 1 slice of bread, 1 cup cold cereal. Again, we know a cup is just 8 ounces. Half a cup of cooked pasta, 1 tortilla, 1 cup or half cup of cooked rice, a half small bagel. Vegetable group, 3 to 5 servings. Like half a cup of raw vegetables, half a cup of cooked vegetables, 1 cup raw leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, 3/4 cup of vegetable juice. Fruit groups, 2 to 4 servings. 1 medium apple, a half cup of chopped or cooked or canned fruit, 3/4 cup of fruit juice, which you're going to make me do math. That's about 6 ounces, or 1/4 cup of dried fruit. Again, milk and yogurt. And cheese group. Again, 1 cup of milk. Again, 1 cup of yogurt. 2 ounces of processed cheese, such as American. 1.5 ounces of natural cheese, such as cheddar. Again, we're talking processed. We're talking things that, again, processed cheese, you find that in, the sliced type. The natural is like the brick type, or the type that you'll get in a deli. And then finally, meat, poultry, and fish and dry beans and eggs and nut group, 2 to 3 servings. Again, 2 to 3 ounces of cooked lean meat, poultry, or fish, 1/2 cup of tofu, 1/2 cup of cooked dried beans, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 egg. Again, as we see, the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, they count as 1 ounce of meat because of all that protein. Okay, I'm going to put on a couple more YouTube videos, and then you guys will do little question worksheets. As always, children, if you have any questions, please unmute yourself and talk to me during our class time or message me on Schoolology. Thank you very much, and have a good day.